Alright, so here's one last outtake for all you mean kitty fans out there. For any of you wondering how we get Sparta to make all those weird faces, simple. Just make weird noises. Cats will always look at you funny if you do something out of the ordinary. So try it on your cat. It's going to work, trust me. And film it. It's hilarious.
Make funny noises and see what the cats do with their faces. I am so going to do that.
No, that's not in response to the noise. Barney always does that. Oh, come out.
Okay, so as you could see, Willow was a little nervous about the camera, Poe was outright terrified, and Barney, who is coming right up here to see me, or rather coming up to see Trinka, they all prefer Trinka, just didn't care either way, and I could not even find his sister, Pyewacket. I even tried making noises at Trinka, but Trinka is so used to me being weird that she doesn't care. See you, Trinka. Trinka, hey. Hey. Does anybody else's dog have ADD, by the way? Because I think Trinka has it. Oh well. That's another video for another time, right? So, have a good day.
Okay, that's